Hello, class. Aren't you excited? We're going to start our first big essay. We're going to be writing on George Orwell's Politics in the English Language. Up until now, we've done papers that have been really short and sort of easy, but now we're getting into true English 1 work. You're going to read the essay Politics in the English Language. Now, it's long, and it's my suggestion you print it out and number the paragraphs. It's the only thing that I recommend you printing out this semester, so don't get all upset. It'll be hard going back and forth if you don't print it out, but if you don't, that's your choice. I'll never know, unless your essay is lousy. So anyway, Orwell was an interesting person. He wrote a lot of essays. You know him from writing Animal Farm in 1984. I know him from some of his essays. Now, Politics in the English Language comes from the book called Shooting an Elephant and Other Stories. And we do have that book in the Santa Monica College Library. And Shooting the Elephant is a very interesting essay, and it is very compassionate, both towards the elephant and the people that are forced to shoot it. So if you ever get to the library, you might want to read it. Politics in the English Language is quoted all the time, along with 1984. So I want you to have a complete education and understand what the essay is about. The New York Public Library even had a conference on politics in the English language. I don't know if I would have attended unless it was next door to where I lived, but something to think about. I'm sure you'll find references this semester. We're welcome to send them to me by pronto or email so we can share them with each other. So you're going to read the essay. I have actually printed out a copy myself, and you're going to answer questions about the essay, and then you're going to go to paragraph, I do have my paragraph numbered, 17, and here Orwell gives us 6 rules to improve writing. And some of the work that I have on Canvas for you is about the rules, because you may not know what active and passive voice is. And I'm not worried that you don't know what it is, because you don't use it. Americans write in the active voice. It must be once a year I find a passive voice sentence. So as you read the material and do the exercise, I want you just to know about what it is. You don't have to change your writing. And next, I have you do some exercises on euphemisms, because everybody's against euphemisms, except the people that use them, and those happen to be lawyers, politicians, and college administrators. So our essay will be about those rules. You also will need to find the thesis statement for politics in the English language, and I'll discuss that after you've turned that in. So I hope you enjoy this unit. If you don't, it's okay. The essays that we're going to do, we're going to do one on news literacy. You'll have to do research for that. We're going to do one on censorship, and you'll need to do research for that. And then we're going to do our research paper, which will be on language, which you'll need to do censorship. So after Orwell, you will do a unit on MLA works cited, and you'll probably go back and forth with that unit, because that's not an easy topic, but you can handle that. I know you'll do it. Okay, any questions, email me. Any references you find to Orwell, email me or pronto them. That's the text message, and I'll share it with the class. So good luck, and come to office hours, which I don't know when they are yet. Well, actually, when you see this video, I will know, but why I'm making this video, I don't know, because I'm going to send you an email and let you vote when is the best time for office hours. And class hasn't started yet. It's still summer. Not much left. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.